Good morning, students. In this video, I'm going to explain you regarding Management Accounting second unit, that is Financial Statement Analysis. Here, we have to understand the meaning of financial statement. Financial statements are the essential documents of business. They are the output of financial accounting. They are statements containing financial information of a business enterprise. Objectives of financial statement. Number one is they provide information about assets and liabilities of a firm. To provide information to various parties interested in financial statement. Thirdly, to present true and fair view of the business. Fourthly, to estimate the earning capacity of the enterprise. Next is to determine the debt capacity of the concern. To decide about the future prospects of the business. Regarding nature of financial statement, the first and the most important character or nature of the financial statement or statements are recorded facts, accounting principle, assumption, personal judgment, easy to understand, reliability and accuracy. Lastly, comparability is possible regarding current year's progress with that of previous years. Let us know the importance of financial statement. Financial statement plays a very important role in the management accounting scenario. The first one is importance for management of owners, importance for investors, importance to trade creditors or suppliers, importance for banks, importance for customers, importance for employees, importance for government and their agencies, importance for public, importance for trade union. Let us know the meaning of analysis and interpretation of financial statement. Analysis and interpretation of financial statements are an attempt to determine the significance and meaning of the financial statement data so that a forecast may be made of the prospects for future earnings, ability to pay interest, debt maturities, both current as well as long-term and short-term period, and profitability. Types of financial statement analysis. The most common types of financial statement analysis are vertical analysis, horizontal analysis, leverage, growth, profitability, liquidity, efficiency, cash flow, and others. Next one is types of analysis and an interpretation of financial statements. Financial statements can be analyzed by using any one of the following methods: comparative financial statement analysis, common size statement analysis, trend analysis, ratio analysis, fund flow analysis, cash flow analysis. Let us know the comparative financial statement. It is a document used to compare a particular financial statement with prior period statements. Comparative statement analysis can be comparative income statement analysis or comparative balance sheet analysis. Common size financial statements displays items as a percentage of a common base figure. Example, total sales revenue. This type of financial statement allows for easy analysis between companies or between periods for the same company. Common size financial statements mainly classified into two, or they include common size income statement and common size balance sheet. Next one is regarding trend analysis. It is a technique used in technical analysis that attempts to predict the future stock price movements based on recently observed trend data. Trend analysis is based on the idea that what has happened in the past gives traders an idea of what will happen in the future. So these are the important points to be remembered under second unit, that is financial statement analysis. Thank you and thank you.